Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gum health is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of maintaining optimal oral hygiene, especially when dealing with gingivitis and gum disease. In this video, we will delve into the critical factors to consider when choosing a toothpaste specifically formulated to address these prevalent oral health concerns, exploring the key ingredients, benefits, and potential drawbacks of various options available on the market today, ultimately guiding you toward making an informed decision that best suits your individual needs and contributes to a healthier, happier smile. Number 5. Parodontax Clean Mint Toothpaste. Are you experiencing bleeding gums? It could be gingivitis. This toothpaste can help. It's specially formulated to break apart plaque and kill bacteria, leaving your mouth feeling cleaner. This anti-cavity toothpaste is 3 times more effective than other leading brands at removing plaque. With regular brushing, it helps reverse the effects of gingivitis and improve gum health. It strengthens your teeth and features a refreshing mint flavor for fresh breath all day long. Keeps the seal between your gums and teeth tight, leading to a healthier smile. Start using it today. What we like? It effectively tackles bleeding gums. If you're looking for a solution to gingivitis and cavity prevention, this is a great option. Its clinically proven formula ensures you get the results you need. What people say? It helps reduce bleeding gums and inflammation, promoting overall gum health. It cleans very well, the paste doesn't make me gag, it makes my gums feel good, and my mouth feels really fresh. This toothpaste had a better effect on my teeth than Corsidol. I use this with the Listerine Total mouthwash and after just a few days my gum looks healthier. Number 4. Parodontax Complete Protection Toothpaste. It's clinically proven to treat bleeding gums, a common sign of gum disease. It helps keep the seal between your gums and teeth tight. This toothpaste effectively fights gingivitis, reducing gum inflammation and swelling. It also helps freshen your breath. It's specially formulated for cavity protection, strengthening your teeth to help prevent future problems. It's an anti-cavity toothpaste. Experience a deep clean that leaves your teeth feeling brighter. It's 3 times more effective at removing plaque than other toothpastes. It strengthens your enamel and reduces plaque buildup, leading to healthier teeth and gums. Enjoy a confident smile. It leaves your mouth feeling refreshed and clean all day long. Say goodbye to bad breath. What we like? This one offers complete protection for your oral health. If you want to whiten your teeth while addressing gum issues, this is the choice for you. It strengthens your teeth and protects against gum disease. What people say? This paste after 3 days helped to heal my bleeding gums. The taste is nice also. My teeth and mouth also felt clean and fresh. The unique formulation seems to fortify the gums while maintaining an effective shield against cavities. It's as if each brushing session transforms into a revitalizing spa day for my mouth. Gum health has improved with the use of this toothpaste. Great fresh mint flavor. Number 3. Parodontax Whitening Toothpaste. This toothpaste is specially designed to help improve gum health and whiten your teeth. It's a great choice for a healthier, brighter smile. It's a gingivitis toothpaste that helps prevent bleeding gums, keeping your gums healthy and strong. It gently whitens your teeth while removing plaque and killing bacteria. This helps keep your teeth clean and bright. It's an effective anti-cavity toothpaste, leaving you with fresher breath and stronger teeth. It helps keep your whole mouth healthy. It's formulated to help keep the seal between your gums and teeth tight, contributing to overall gum health. Enjoy a healthy, confident smile. With 3 tubes of Parodontax, you have everything you need for a brighter, healthier smile. Get yours today. What we like? This toothpaste gently whitens your teeth while helping to prevent bleeding gums. If you prefer a whitening toothpaste that also addresses gum health, this is a good option. It's effective at preventing cavities and maintaining fresh breath. What people say? It helped with my bleeding gums and leaves my mouth feeling fresh. Since using it, my gums no longer bleed, and my dentist has noted significant improvements in my gum health. It gives a nice fresh, clean feeling and truly helps the gums. Number 2. LIVFRESH Toothpaste Gel. It's clinically proven to remove plaque 250% better than other leading brands. Experience a cleaner, healthier mouth with every brush. This improves gum health by a remarkable 190%. Say goodbye to gum problems and hello to a confident smile. It effectively reduces tartar buildup and leaves your breath feeling incredibly fresh. Enjoy the confidence of a clean mouth all day long. Backed by 26 research studies and 40+ patents, it's a formula developed by leading scientists. This is more than just toothpaste, it's advanced oral care. Its unique gel formula breaks down plaque, preventing it from sticking to your teeth. It reaches even those hard-to-clean areas for a deep clean. Thousands of dental professionals, including former presidents of major dental associations, recommend it. It's the choice of experts. Made in America with 100% edible, SLS-free ingredients. It's gentle enough for everyone, free of harsh chemicals. By improving your oral health, it can help you avoid costly dental procedures in the long run. It's an investment in your smile. What we like. It's clinically proven to be superior at removing plaque and improving gum health. If you are looking for a highly effective, SLS-free toothpaste, this is the one. Its advanced formula offers a deep clean and long-lasting freshness. What people say. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It cleans teeth, improves gum health and breaks up plaque. I've had some tartar buildup just break off after brushing. It's done wonders for my gums too. It's not cheap, but it's much less expensive than a dental hygienist, and not nearly as stressful. And it'll keep the dentist from preaching at you. This is a great product, has worked as described, and has helped reduce tartar on my teeth. Number 1. Dr. Glow Gum Repair Toothpaste. It effectively targets gingivitis and early periodontal disease. It penetrates deep to reduce swelling, bleeding, and receding gums, promoting long-term gum health. This toothpaste deeply cleans teeth surfaces and below the gum line. It removes stubborn tartar and plaque, preventing future gum disease for a healthier mouth. It's designed to repair alveolar bone damage and loose teeth. It strengthens bone and promotes regeneration, leading to stronger, more durable teeth. This toothpaste eliminates food residue and prevents microbe growth, the cause of bad breath. Enjoy long-lasting fresh breath and renewed confidence. It's gentle and non-irritating, perfect for sensitive gums. The fluoride-free and SLS-free formula provides effective protection without causing irritation. What we like. This toothpaste goes beyond surface cleaning to repair gum tissue and remineralize bone. If you have receding gums or periodontal disease, this is a great choice. It helps to treat the root causes of gum disease and promote long-term gum health. What people say. My teeth feel better and clean and my gums are not bleeding anymore. I've used this product for about 3 weeks and I'll continue to use it. It actually stopped what was happening with my gum receding and creating a lot of space between my teeth. It was hurting, but not anymore. My teeth do feel very clean. As I age, now 72, our gums start to shrink. The packaging said that this product will help to correct that. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.